Hello, we're gonna make a little fish today. You guys are welcome to use any kind of air dry clay. I am using Crayola Model Magic air dry clay. If your clay dry, you always can add some water to soften up the clay. But don't add too much. If you add too much water, the clay will melt into like a mud that will not be able to walk on or very sticky. First, we're gonna make a teardrop shape like what you seen on the video. This is the next project picture. We're gonna make a little dragon. If you like this video, please hit the like button or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!